So hey guys, I'm Sumishan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize this Divi special hover tabs layout. Okay, before starting the video, if you want to buy these Divi tabs layout of this product, then go through the link which is in the below description of this video. After hitting the link, you will land on this web page and come here, hit the buy this item and buy this product or layouts. And after buying, if you have any question or queries regarding this product, simply contact me by hitting the contact the author. After clicking, you will get an interface like this, and after hitting put the queries and send me. Okay, submit your message. I will help you as soon as possible. Now let's start the video that how to customize these tabs layout. As you can see, here is a tab style 1 which is working like this, tab style 2 and tab style 3. Okay, and if we are talking about the main difference between tab style 1, 2 and 3, here is only a little bit difference which is of number of tabs. But the process of customizing all the tabs will remain in same. So let's start the video to know that how to customize this Divi tabs layout. Okay, so now after importing the layout, import on your web page where you want to use on your website, and now you will get unlocked. Okay, first of all unlock it and then unlock the tabs content section, and after that click here and then click on the layers view. Open the layers view. We are using the layers view for customizing these layouts because it's easy for us, because as you can see here is only the tab content 1 is visible, not tab 2. So for customizing the tab content 2, we will customize the tab 2 content with the help of layers view. Okay, as you can see, here is a code. With the help of this code, all these tabs are working. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you that if you want to convert these tabs clickable instead of hover, what you need to do is go to the code. You will get this code in every tabs layout. Okay, so click on the code module setting. After clicking, come to below, and here you will get a setting which is hover. Okay, in 49th point you will get an hover option. Okay, first erase it like this and then add click. Simply the tabs hover layout is converted into clickable. Okay, that's it. But after adding here click, then come to the tablet view and then also add here. Now come to the 49th point, click here. Here you have need to add manually in all the view like desktop and tablet and mobile, because I have made special customization for all the devices for responsive point of view. And after that come to the phone and also add here, come to 49th and also add here CLICK, click. So make sure you change only the click instead of hover. Not erase the any point, any other CSS. Okay, like this. If you change a little bit in the CSS, the tab will not work properly. So make sure you only change the hover or click. So okay, save it, and after save, let's lock it. And now come to the content, that how to customize it. So now change the content or customize the content of tab 1. Now come to the text and change the content. Okay, like this, and add your own text like this. Okay, and then hit the save button. Okay, like this. And now come to the tab 2 content. For customizing the tab 2 content, what you need to do is come to tab 1 content again, and tab 1 content row setting. Click here and then come to advanced CSS ID and classes, and now copy the CSS class. Then after copy, erase it, and then come to the tab 2 content row setting and click it. Come to again advanced CSS ID and classes, and then CSS class. Put the CSS class which we have copied from tab 1 content CSS class. Okay, and then save it. Now you are able to see the content of tab 2. And now for customizing the content, simply click here and customize it. Okay, now here is another important point to know, that maybe the length of your content is different from this dummy content. So in this situation, what you need to do is, let's increase the content. Okay, so now save it. Okay, as you can see, we have changed the tab hover to clickable. So click this. Okay, so now by default we are able to see the content of tab 2. It's because we have added the CSS class in tab 2 content. Okay, this one. So if you want to make default content of tab 1, then come to the tab 1 content, click here, and again paste in the tab 1 content CSS class. Okay, and save it. Now refresh this. Now as you can see, the default content is of tab 1. Now if you click it, then as you can see, here is tab 2 content. And the important point which I have discussing is, you need to come to the developers mode for checking the device responsiveness. Come to the developers tool. Now as you can see, the content is overlapped. That's because the length of content. Okay, and tab to content, this is overlap. It's because the all these tabs content using absolute position, as you can see here, position and absolute position. So for fix this issue, you have need to come to the tabs content section and increase the spacing. Okay, here is an issue in the font view, so fix it. Come to the font, increase the spacing, padding, so 250 and save it. Now refresh this page. As you can see, now the content is not overlapped. So what you need to do is you need to add manually padding according to your content length. All the tabs are working with the same process or mechanism, and for if we check out on tabs, as you can see, also the content is overlapped on tab. So fix this. Come to again setting, on the tabs view, design, spacing, and add some padding 160. Okay, save this. And now refresh it and add some more padding. Okay, now everything is fine. So the point to note that is all these tabs content, only tab content is using absolute position. So what you have need to do is you have need to add manually padding. Okay, so I hope you understand the process of customizing these tabs very well.